Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious beef stew in your Instant Pot. First, select a quality cut of beef, such as chuck roast, which becomes incredibly tender under pressure. Cut your beef into roughly 1½ inch cubes to ensure even cooking. Next, sear the beef directly in the Instant Pot for about 5 minutes until browned on all sides. This crucial step builds a deep, savory foundation for your stew. After searing, it's time to deglaze the pot. Pour in 1 cup of beef broth and scrape up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom. This prevents a burn notice and adds immense depth. Then, add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing for about 3 minutes until they begin to soften. Finally, stir in minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, cooking for just 1 minute to release their aromas. Now, let's get to the pressure cooking. Add your cubed potatoes, fresh herbs like thyme and bay leaves, and the remaining beef broth to the pot. Ensure the liquid covers most of the ingredients. Secure the lid, set the vent to ceiling, and cook on high pressure for 35 minutes. This duration ensures your beef becomes incredibly tender. After cooking, allow a natural pressure release for 10 minutes before carefully venting any remaining pressure. Once the pressure is released, open the lid and prepare to thicken your stew. Mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry, then stir it into the hot stew until it reaches your desired consistency. Finally, add frozen peas and fresh chopped parsley, stirring until the peas are heated through. Serve your hearty Instant Pot beef stew warm. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.